We'll guide you through how to download and install AnyDesk. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So with AnyDesk, you're going to be able to go and control other computers or go and have this computer controlled. Perhaps a friend has gone and asked you to go and get it because they want to go and help you out with your computer or you need help with it. So we're going to guide you through this. Of course, just remember when you go and give it permissions, people can go and control your computer when it's all properly set up. So just be aware of that. But without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to go and use Chrome, but you could use Edge, it doesn't matter. Now you want to go and type in AnyDesk and come to the official site, which is anydesk.com. Here we are. So what you can do is go and press download now or press downloads in the top right and you can go and see the different options. So in this case, we'll go and get it for Windows here. So we can go and select it and you can then press download now, go and wait and it will now go and download. So there is a pro version, but for now we'll go and just install it and use the free one. So I can actually go and see it's been blocked here. So I'll need to go and click on it and press download unverified file. That's fine. And we've now downloaded it. Now what you can do is you can go and open up your file explorer and in here you can come to your downloads. So come to the left and press downloads and you can then go and double click on it. Then this is going to go and pop up like so and you can then go and press install AnyDesk on this device. You can choose the path and you can choose the different options you want. I have them all selected and I'll have main channel recommended. Then we'll press accept and install. We'll go and get a Windows security pop-up we need to agree to. It's going to reload and you've now gone and installed it. That's it. So what you can then do is you can go and start using it. You can go and see the different options here. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you again. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now. I look forward to helping you again.